Okay, so Liam is gonna show us his pullback busy bug book. This has a pullback bug and 4 tracks.
So
there are pages with just the story.
yep, and there's also this bug.
And look how thick that page.
Yep, and also if you get this, the only bug you get is a ladybug.
So all pages are that thick, and then there are 4 pages with these tracks.
Yep.
Where you can pull. Let's see your bug, Liam.
Okay. Let me just go.
Can you try doing it here in the book?
Mommy!
You need to make this.
Dino, there's one
flat.
more there. What the down say?
Okay, hold on. Is that where you're supposed to start? Okay, so it says start here.
Yep.
The busy bug wiggles past the buzzing bees. Between the wiggly worms, around the beautiful butterfly, beside the munching caterpillars. On the way, she spotted some blue flowers and purple bug. Can you?
Okay.
Where's a purple bug?
Right there.
Where?
There.
That's not a bug.
No, that bug.
Okay, and also Taylor has
Correct.
wind up
Whoa.
pirates.
Hey guys, I'll do it.
Okay, can we see your pirate ship, Taylor?
How you do it? Yes, don't wail.
Excuse Taylor.
Don't wail.
Start here. Whoa.
Whoa. This thing's
It runs so fast, right?
mine does fast too.
Whirly waters. Uh-oh.
Guys, you want to see
Okay, and the pirate ship has 3 tracks.
Guys, want to see which one's faster?
And these ones are not too thick
Guys,
for
let's
just the story, but the ones with the track are really thick, just like the other
does
wind
mine
up
have a
and
story?
pullback books.
What's my story?
Okay,
Mama, I
and
want
there are a lot of titles for these wind up and pullback. There's a car, train, helicopter, airplane. I think there's a bus. I'm not sure, but
and a tractor.
And check it out. Bye.